I wanted to share this paracord kit with you guys. So we got this because my kids love making paracord bracelets, and these were some great colors. They've really enjoyed it. We have actually kept it in this box, and you can see that they pin the end like that. And so when it's time to use it, they unpin it, they unravel it from here, from the spool in the box, and it keeps it nice and compact, which I really liked. One thing to note, so these do come in a bunch of different colors. We did get two greens that are very similar. They're just like a touch different. This one is a little bit more like lime green, and this one is a little bit more just normal green. And we do have two blues, a couple of pinks, which it actually honestly works really well. The pinks work really well together. These are very similar, so they never put these on the same bracelet, but they like having the option of having a couple of different colors. So as far as quality goes, it is a decent quality. I will show you some raw edges. So if you don't have sharp scissors or sharp knives, they will fray. Of course, this is paracord. It has the strings inside and then the paracord on the outside. And then if you cut it, it cuts well if you have sharp scissors. If you don't have sharp scissors, it'll hack like this. But then of course, once you have it cut, you can, we like to burn the edges just to kind of seal it off. And that helps create an edge like this, if you can see that, just like that. So that kind of seals this off. It makes almost a waxy, hard shell so that things are not sliding around and they're not looking like this. So overall, we have loved this set. We have loved the colors. We actually have really loved how it came in the box like this, so we can just keep it in the box and use it as needed. Like I said, my kids go through a lot of paracord, so this has been a great move for us. If you guys also use a lot of paracord and love these colors, this might be a great set for you too.